Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the 2 screws securing the left side cover and lift the cover off the system. Identify and unlatch the front cover of the machine to remove it. Find the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the assembly out of the system. Identify the disk drive cage and unplug the cables. Remove the screw and slide the cage out of the system. Flip the cage over and disconnect the cables to fully remove it from the system. Find the wireless module and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to remove the module from the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch and install the screw to secure the module. Reconnect the disk drive cage cables and flip the cage over. Place the cage back in the system and install the screw. Reconnect the cables. Place the hard drive assembly back in the system. Install the 2 screws and reconnect the cables. Relatch the front cover to the system and secure the left side cover with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.